Guys, welcome back to my channel. And we all know how much fidget toys are trending everywhere, but the fact is they are pretty expensive too. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own DIY poppet toys, and these are 100% working. So watch this video till end. So first of all, take a cardboard and make some holes on your cardboard like this, and take any color paper and stick it on your cardboard. Next, just take some pieces of foam sheet like this, and then you will need a marble. It's pretty, right? Then you will just need a cardboard and just place your marble like this, and here I am using a cap of sanitizer's bottle. Now just take your foam sheet and press it right like this. And yeah, some people are also using paper to make poppet toys, but believe me guys, I have tried them and they are worst I have ever seen. So don't try them. I will always tell you the bestest way to make anything, so you can believe me, it's working. Okay, so now just insert your foam sheet like this on the hole of your cardboard. So here we are not using any hair straightener and all to make it. It's very easy to make. Now what you have to do, just cut out the extra part like this. So here I am using my own DIY super glue to stick it, and if you have not seen this video, so please go and watch it. I will definitely provide the link in description. Now you have to make more such pieces, and now just stick them on each and every hole. Now you can see it's almost done and looking very pretty, right? And it's just so satisfying too. So please try it. And now the next step is just take the another sheet and stick it on the back side like this. Now let's decorate it. So for this I am using black tape, and I have covered all the edges with black tape. You can use any of favorite color. Now again just take a cardboard sheet and cover it whole with black paper, and now we are going to make some cute ear, eyes and a nose. But I don't know what it actually is, but it's looking like a cat, right? So yeah, let's assume it as a cat, and in this manner or in this way we have made this amazing poppet toy. And if you want to make more fidget toys like slimes, stress balls, so just click on this playlist over here, and also don't forget to subscribe.